So let's take a look at count function in Google Sheet. So first thing, we have one column full of numbers. So starting from A1 all the way to A5, we have numbers, right? So if I want to count the number of cells containing numbers, what I will do is I will go to empty cell, then use the formula, let's say count, right, from A1 all the way to A5, how many of those cells, right? So that would be 5, right? Now if you want to add a condition and perform some operation with count, then you will be making use of, say, count, sorry, let's use all uppercase. So we will use one condition, so it is count if there are multiple conditions, it will use count if s or count ifs. So our condition is for a to 5, and then within that number has to be greater than 9, right? So when we do that, and if we run this, it should show you two cells which are bigger than the value of 9, which is A1 and A4, right? So we have used count to count the number of cells from the range, then we use how many cells greater than 9 for the range. Now let's see if I want to have multiple conditions for getting the count. In that case I will use count ifs, right? So for that, let's see if I choose to use this particular column, which is red green, and if I want to have some count that says equals to count ifs, and we have condition to check from A to 5, then we have option green and then B1 to B5, right? And then check for greater than 9, then we close the bracket, right? So what we are choosing the condition here, how many of these number from B1 to B5 are greater than 9, and also from A1 to 5 are green. So we have this A2 and A4 being green, and out of them only one condition we have here for green, which is greater than 9. Another one is red, which is greater than 9, but it is red. So let's find out how many of that fulfills our condition. As you can see, only one. So we get that output. Similarly, we can change this formula for red, and let's find out how it shows. Again, it would be 1, because one number is in red greater than 9, one is in green greater than 20, right? So we looked at count, countif, and countifs. So these three functions that you can try out in Google Sheets.